Alright guys, go ahead to the gym, try to get a good workout. It's currently I believe 9 a.m. in the rising. Good way to start your day. I have been waking up early for this week, so happy about that. Starting the week right and gonna end it off right. Oh, let's get the sweating. Alright guys, so we just finished working out, did arms and back today. I ain't gonna lie, working out does give you a lot of clarity. Just moving your body, getting your body in sync with mind and spirit. It's like coherence. Just want to come on here and tell you, for all my ones that starting their entrepreneur journey, just go ahead and do it. Don't really worry about the results. We always try to control results by conscious thinking. That's not faith, really, honestly, truthfully. When they tell you have faith in your journey, they mean by setting an objective, or a goal, I should say, and setting actions to follow every day to get you closer to that goal. And just continue taking those actions every day consistently to where you build discipline, to where it becomes like second nature to you every day. And the results will come by itself. It's like it forces you to act in faith because your subconscious is unconscious. It happens beneath the surface, so therefore you will never see what's going on. That doesn't mean things are not in motion. Energy is always in motion. Energy is never just stagnant. So you have to examine and reflect on what you're doing on your day-to-day. Are you doing the actions that will take you closer to your goal, or you just procrastinating? You have to be honest with yourself, but don't come from self-pity, come from self-respect, because through self-respect comes growth and it comes clarity. And that's what I'm learning on my journey. And truthfully, I was fearful of having to go home back to the States. Kept replaying that thought back in my head. Repetition. And it's like, why am I focusing so much more on what the things I don't want than the things I do want? Focusing on things that you don't want is not logical. So focusing on things you want has to be repetition to yourself. It has to be second nature. Fall in love with the idea of the person that you want to become. So back to falling in love with the idea of the identity that you want to become. Just do, man. Sometimes you just have to shut your brain off, or I should say the mind. Just go with the flow. You know, acknowledge your thoughts. You will have some negative thoughts. You will have negative emotions. You're human. It's can't be avoided. The more and more consistent actions you do, the less negative thoughts and emotions you will feel. But that doesn't erase all negative emotions and thinking. The mind never stops thinking. It may slow down thoughts, but it never ever just completely just shut up. And that's what I'm learning. That's what Thailand taught me.
All right, guys. Started editing this video that y'all seeing right now. We are about to go to a cafe in Old Town of Chiang Mai called Wake Up. Good spot, pretty small, but it's 24 hours and I don't know, it's a vibe. So y'all come with me. Let's enjoy our time. And I'm using my kit lens. It looks totally different from the Sigma. Alright y'all, so we are at Wake Up Cafe. This is the new location, never been in this location before. It's a pretty decent spot, if you ask me. Wifey doesn't like this spot, so we're about to go to the other locations. Alright y'all, so we are at the new location. I'm gonna show y'all in a bit. It's a little packed. And I don't want to just be throwing cameras in everybody. So I guess once it get a little bit empty, I'll show y'all the place. It's a pretty chill spot as well. It's much better than the other spots. So I'm about to just go ahead and do these YouTube videos. Broke even on that trade. I'm gonna wait for a better entry. Alright y'all, so that is it for the vlog. Hope y'all enjoyed. Today was a very good day. Finished my daily habits and I won my trade, so I would say this is a dub day. You just have to keep consistent and be disciplined, like I said. And currently right now it is 7:44, so it's well over my bedtime. And we're just about to repeat the same process tomorrow.